Tatlong rason bakit maganda maglagay ng pera sa digital banks. Number 1, pwede mo siyang tatuhin as an emergency fund. You can withdraw the money anytime just in case emergencies happen in your life. Number 2, pwede mo rin siyang tatuhin as an investment fund kasi tumutubo yung pera natin habang wala pang emergencies na nangyayari. Pangatlo, BSP regulated and PDIC insured up to 500,000 pesos per depositor. That's why I also recommend people to not put more than 500,000 pesos sa any of these digital banks para just in case may mangyari sa kanila, protected yung pera mo. The next question is, ano ba ang maganda na digital banks? Lahat naman sila ay maganda, pero personally, these are the banks that I use. If you want to try CBank, make sure to use the referral code na the present para may matanggap ka na 50 pesos after you deposit and hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days. If you want to try own bank, use the referral code na HFFVHF para may matanggap ka na 300,000 pesos trial bonus, which is equivalent to 50 pesos after you deposit 50 pesos. Just make sure na ilagay mo ang pera mo sa Own It to earn 6% interest per annum. Try these digital banks and let me know your experience sa comment section.